He's someone that if you follow the People's Assembly anywhere, you'll know. If you follow us on the web, certainly if you go to People's Assembly's meetings in your communities, the person that's going to speak next doesn't really need an introduction to you. I'll tell you now, it's Sam Fairbairn. Sam Fairbairn is our National Secretary for the People's Assembly, and I know firsthand what a fantastic job him and Ramona and the rest of the team do behind the scenes. These events don't just happen. Our actions in our communities don't just happen. They happen because you care, because you act, because you get on the streets to make a difference, but because people like Sam and others work bloody hard behind the scenes to ensure their success as well. So Sam Fairbairn.
Well, thanks, Steve. I've got to say it's an absolutely incredible day for us. We've spent months and months and months planning this event, and nobody knew what kind of size it would be. Nobody knew that 250,000 of us would be marching today. What a fantastic thing we've achieved. Well done to everybody for coming. Because David Cameron thinks that the small majority that he's got in Parliament means that he can do whatever he wants to us for the next 5 years without opposition. Well, David Cameron, you were wrong. This is what I call an opposition. If this government is allowed to get away with what they are planning on doing over the next 5 years, my generation will be left with no homes, with no decent jobs, with no pensions, with no welfare state and no NHS. Well, that says to me that we've got to get rid of this government quicker than 5 years. This government cannot last the full term. Our message to you, David Cameron, our message to you is that we are not going away. Today is just the start. Today is just the start of a campaign of protests, of strikes, of direct action and civil disobedience up and down the country. After today, we're going to go back to our communities, we're going to go back to our universities, we're going to go back to our workplaces and our schools, and we're going to organise the biggest mass movement this country's ever seen. And it's that mass movement, David Cameron, that's going to kick you out of office. Because today represents everything that the Tories hate. They hate any kind of opposition. They hate the unity that we've shown today. They hate it when we're organised together. And we're not going to stop doing this. So after today, we need to go back. We need to make sure that there's People's Assembly groups in every town, city and village across the country. We need to make sure on the 8th of July, in just a couple of weeks' time, there's the biggest protest and direct action across the country when George Osborne delivers his emergency budget. And in October, when the Tories are in Manchester at their conference, we've got to make sure that conference is disrupted. It cannot go ahead because of the protests that are going to take place outside of it. We will not rest until austerity is history, until our public services are back in public hands and not the hands of the corporations. And we will not rest until the needs of the majority are put first. Solidarity, this is just the beginning. I'll see you soon. Thank you.